Morning students, how are you? Good. In this part means this is 47 part. Under this part, today we have to discuss about application of derivatives. Application of derivatives means this is a part of the differentiation. And already we have completed differentiation because differentiation is very most important, and application of derivatives depend on differentiation. Means with the help of differentiation we can do maximum problems of the application of derivatives. As a tangent, normal, as you know, in part number 46 already I have told you about the equation of tangent and normal, what is the slope of tangent and normal, and in this video we have to study about the increasing and decreasing function. As you know, if f dash x is greater than equal to 0, then given function is increasing, and if f dash x is less than 0 only, then given function is decreasing. Then here increasing functions and decreasing function. Definition: let f be defined. F is the function. What is f? F is a function. F be defined on an interval, and let x1 and x2 denotes numbers in that interval. Then we have three conditions. First condition is what? F is increasing on the interval if fx is less than fx2 whenever x1 is less than x2. It means you can see here, if the value of x2 is more than x1, then the value of function x2 is also more than value of x1. Understood? Second part, f is decreasing on the interval if fx1 is more than fx2 whenever x1 is less than x2. It means if x2 is more than x1 but x2 is less than fx1, means if the value of x2 is more than x1 but the value of its function is less than, decreases, we can say given function is decreasing in given interval. F is constant on the interval if fx1 is equal to fx2 for all x1 and x2. This is main property, main condition for increasing and decreasing. Understood? Okay, now see the question number 1. So that the function are increasing on R. Here, what we have to do? First of all, let fx is equal to what? X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100. Therefore, f dash x is equal to what? D by dx of x cube minus 3x square 3x minus 100. X cube means what? 3x square 6x plus 3. Now f dash x is equal to what? 3 common x square minus 3x plus 1. Now here x minus 1 whole square. Clear? Now we can say x minus 1 is the perfect square. X minus 1 is the what? Perfect square. Since x minus 1 whole square is a positive sign, that is f dash x is more than 0. Clear? Then we can say that we can show that given function are increasing on R. Understood? It is very simple. You can do other example also. Okay. Now we have to discuss about given question means this question. In this question, are you able to say? Good. Determine the value of x for which the function fx is equal to 2x square minus 8x is increasing or decreasing. It means at which value, at which point given function is increasing or decreasing. Okay, we have to show that, we have to find that this value. Then for increasing function, if f dash x is greater than 0, and for decreasing function, if f dash x is less than 0. We have condition, we have points. Now since f dash x is equal to 2x square minus 8x is given, therefore f dash x is equal to what? D by dx of 2x square minus 8x. 4x minus 8, and here what? 4x minus 2 f dash x. Understood? Now if f is increasing, therefore f dash x more than 0. Then 4x minus 2 0, it means x minus 2 0. Understood? Then x is, it is clear. But if we change, suppose that we will change here minus sign. For this one clear? Here x is more than 2. 2 means the value of x is more than 2 means 2 plus infinity. 2 here more than 2 means what? 2 to infinity. This interval. Suppose that we have to change. This is simple question for you. That's why I am going to change the sign here minus. If here plus sign, this is value here. In this way, similarly, we can find the decreasing function also here. Decreasing means for decreasing f dash x is less than 0. Then what? 4x minus 2 is less than 0. X minus 2 less than 0. X is less than 2. Less than 2 means what? Minus infinity to 2 here. But if suppose here minus sign is there, minus means if fx is equal to minus 2x square minus 8x, therefore f dash x is equal to what? Minus 4x minus 8. 4 common x plus 2. For increasing function, f dash x is more than 0. Therefore, minus 4 x plus 2 more than 0. Understood? When we will find the f dash x is more than 0, it means what? First of all, minus here, multiply both the side. Then what? X plus 2 is less than 0. Then x is less than minus 2. Therefore, interval is what? Interval is the value of x is less than minus 2 means what? Minus infinity to minus 2. Understood? When x is less than minus 2, then what is the function? It means therefore x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2. For this interval, given function is increasing. And for decreasing function, if f dash x is less than 0. What is value of f dash x? Minus 4 x plus 2 is less than 0. Minus multiply x plus 2 less than 0, x is more than minus 2. Then what? X belong to more than minus 2 comma plus infinity. It means, once more here, if any function is given, either trigonometric function, algebraic function, any other value function given, first of all find the f dash, means differentiation, means derivative coefficient of given function. After that we have to find the solution result. Condition 1 is if function is increasing, f dash x is more than 0, then we will find the value of x. After that, this value to more than or less than according to question we will take. This is interval. For this question, minus infinity to minus 2. And here, for decreasing function, if f dash x is less than 0, minus 4x plus 2 less than 0, when we will multiply by negative sign, this symbol can be changed. Less than, here more than. X is more than minus 2, x belong minus 2 comma infinity. Understood? Okay, good. Now see this question. This question is totally based on trigonometrical function. In this question, we have to prove that y is equal to 4 sin theta upon 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function in interval 0 to pi by 2. From 0 to pi by 2. Clear? Now let fx is equal to what? 4 sin theta upon 2 plus cos theta minus theta. Therefore, f dash x is equal to what? F dash x means what? Derivative coefficient of this value. It means here theta. Theta means either we can write here theta, f theta here. Clear? Now here f theta. X is there, we can write x. Either we can write y. F dash theta is equal to what? d by d theta 4 sin theta upon 2 plus cos theta minus d by d theta of theta. U by v 2 plus cos theta into, now 4 sin means cos theta minus 4 into sin theta in bracket 0 minus sin theta whole upon what? 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1. This is the value of f dash theta. F dash theta is equal to, now we can obtain 4 into 2, 8 cos theta plus 4 cos theta minus into minus plus 4 sin square theta and whole upon 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1. Now f dash theta is equal to what? 2 cos theta, 4 common, cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. it means plus 4 upon 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1. Now f dash theta is equal to what? 2 cos theta plus 4 minus 2 plus cos theta whole square and whole upon 2 plus cos theta whole square. Now f dash theta is equal to what? 2 cos theta plus 4 minus a square plus b square plus 2ab means 4 cos theta whole upon what? 2 plus cos theta whole square. F dash theta is equal to 2 cos theta plus 4 minus 4 and minus cos theta minus 4 cos theta whole upon 2 plus cos theta whole square. Now f dash theta is equal to cancel 2 cos theta minus 4 cos theta minus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta whole upon 2 plus cos theta whole square. Now f dash theta is equal to minus cos theta common, then here cos theta plus 2 whole upon 2 plus cos theta whole square. Cancel here is equal to minus cos theta upon what? 2 plus cos theta. Clear? Once more here, very simple. If fx means f theta is there, so first of all what? First of all we can find this value. Means after completing, what we will get? Cos theta 4 like this one here. Now here 8 here, sorry here. F dash theta means what? 8 cos theta here. Here 8 cos theta plus 4, 2 plus cos theta whole square and 8 cos theta plus a square b square means this one. After that open the bracket here 8 cos theta, 8 cos theta cancel here minus 4 cos theta is equal to what? Is equal to here 8 cos theta minus 4 means what? 4 cos theta minus cos square theta upon and 2 plus cos theta whole square and cos theta common means 4 minus cos theta whole upon what? 2 plus cos theta whole square. You have to see the calculations. Calculations very important. Cos theta into 4 minus cos theta upon 2 plus cos square theta. Clear? Now for all theta belong to what? Interval is 0 to pi by 2. Therefore f dash theta is more than what? 0. 0 means therefore cos theta 4 minus cos theta upon 2 plus cos theta whole square. Therefore what? Given function is increasing. Given function is increasing. For all the value theta belong to 0 to pi by 2 means cos theta 4 minus cos theta upon 2 plus cos theta whole square is more or equal to 0. That is f dash theta is more than 0. Then hence f theta is increasing. Hence f theta is increasing in 0 to pi by 2. Clear? F theta is increasing in 0 to pi by 2. Now this is answer. Understood? Now you have to see the homework question. This is important for you. First question, show that the function fx is equal to 3 by x plus 7 is decreasing for x belong to R, where x is not equal to 0. Second question, show that fx is equal to sin x is an increasing function and minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Fx is equal to tan x is an increasing function and minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, means both are similar questions, same question here. And last question is find the interval in the function are increasing or decreasing. Fx is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 15. In this way your application of derivatives is completed today, because first of all you have to complete how many chapters, how many topics inside your syllabus, means will come in board examination. Then now homework process compulsory, and how many things you have completed, please you will remember and revise also. Thank you very much.